Hey y'all, so today for the Canvas tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make cute little calendar daily buttons. So we have an example here. So this is my Monday button. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to do Tuesday. So you see how I have, it looks like a background and then a font on, like a outline of the word Monday on top. It's really two different fonts and they're layered on top of each other. So I'm going to also show you how to do that. We're going to start with that. And since I'm working with a white font, I'm just going to change my background color real fast so the white can show up. We'll change that back at the end. So I'm going to insert a text box and I'm going to write Tuesday. And I'm going to do it in this type of font that I purchased from Teacher Pay Teachers. So highlight it. All right, there's my Tuesday font. Let's do 40. All right, so this is going to be the inside color. This is going to be the inside word. Sorry about that, guys. And now I'm going to do another text box. So insert text box. And I'm going to do the same exact thing. I'm going to write Tuesday again. And this time I'm going to use my outline font that I'm going to use to layer on top of it. And I'm going to do the same size so that way it's easy to layer. So here we go. And what I had trouble with at the beginning is that my layering, the black lines, were actually going behind my bold font. And if that happens to you, all you need to do is go to shape format and then either bring it forwards or send it backwards. So for example, if it was behind the white, I would want to bring it forwards, right? Like I just did. Or if I want to send it, if I had the white and I wanted to send it backwards, I would click send backwards. So there we go. I have it all together. But now what I want to do is I want to group the two words of Tuesday together into one. So I'm going to select all, which selects both of them. And I'm going to go to shape format and I'm going to click group. And that way it groups it all together. So if I want to move it, I can move it as a set instead of having it my layering piece on top of the solid word. So now it's a set. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make my shape for my actual button for my weekly schedule. So I'm going to make my shape now. So I'm going to go to insert, not text box, sorry. I'm going to go to insert shape. This is the shape I'm using. So I'm just going to make my shape real fast. I'm going to do shape outline. I like to do the thickest outline, 6 points. I'm going to make sure, wait. Oh my goodness, sorry guys. Wait, 6 point, and then I'm going to make the outline black. And then I'm going to do shape fill, and I'm actually going to do the same thing. I'm going to, if you wanted to do no fill, you could do that and it would just be white background or whatever background was already there on the slide. But I'm going to insert a picture because I want it to match the chalkboard, and I already have the chalkboard saved to my computer. So whatever picture you want to save, you can do that. And then now what I'm going to do is that little trick I showed you earlier about how to send things forward and back, I'm going to do that again. So again, you go to, like say we were on insert still, go to shape format because you're working with the shape. And this time I'm going to send it backwards so that way my word is up front and you can see it. Oh, I didn't grab them both. Grab them both. Now I'm going to make my button fit. Make sure when you pick it up, you're grabbing both pieces of it too. All right. There we go. I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller. I'm gonna put this in a table, so I want to make it as condensed as possible. All right, so now I'm gonna change the background back to white. There we go, and now I'm gonna save it. Save as Tuesday. Oh, all caps is still on. Tuesday button. Remember, you're going to save it as a PNG because you want it to be a picture file. So PNG. Save, and it's going to ask you if you want to do the whole slideshow, but I'm just going to do this just this one slide. So I'm going to say just this one, and there we go. There's our Tuesday button.